50,000 word scholarship is sponsored to engineering, medical, BSc nursing, undergraduate, ITI, diploma and students of class 11 and 12. To know more details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. At any moment, if you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. The AIA CSR Foundation Scholarship is a part of Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative by AIA Engineering Limited. AIA is a leading company in design, development and manufacturing of wear-resistant casting used in the industries like cement, mining and thermal power generation in India. The foundation, in collaboration with Portal, aims to support the meritorious students facing the financial constraints near various AIA site locations. It's about empowering the dreams and fostering the culture of learning. So what does this scholarship offer? 50,000 for BE, BTech or medical students, 30,000 for nursing students, 20,000 for diploma in A&M and GNM students, 10,000 for undergraduate students, 5,000 for class 11, 12 and ITI students. These amounts are designed to ease the financial burden and empower the students in various educational pursuits. Importantly, these benefits are applicable for both fresh and renewal applications. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with our Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey with us. Link in description box. Ready to apply? These are the list of documents you should have. ID proof, address proof, mark sheet of class 10th. For second year, mark sheet of previous academic year, bona fide certificate from the institution, student bank passbook, salary slip or the ITR or the income certificate of the parent or the guardian, admission letter and current year fees receipt or the fees structure. Make sure that all these documents should be in a JPGE or PNG format. Now visit the application page, link is mentioned in the description box. And if you feel that this information is valuable, then please show some support by hitting the like button and share this information with all your friends. Now let's come back to the apply process video. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to a login page. If you are already a registered user, log in with your credentials. If not, then create and update your profile. If you find any difficulty in registration, then watch this video where I have explained all the details of creating and updating your profile. Once you're done with that, log into your account and click on search and apply. There you will find AIA scholarship. Click on it, then you'll be redirected to a form where you need to fill out the details like enter your parent or the guardian name, enter your parent or guardian occupation. Is your parent or a guardian is working for AIA? Are you a resident of Gujarat? Select option yes or no accordingly. Then you need to upload the bona fide certificate. If you don't have the sample copy of that, then download from the link. Get it filled from your institution. Download the bona fide certificate and get a print on your college letterhead and get it signed from the authorities and upload back onto the portal and click on the checkbox where it defines that all the given above information are true and click on the submit button. Now let's know who can apply for this scholarship. You must be the resident of Gujarat. You must have secured minimum of 60% in previous academics. This scholarship is open for all caste and all gender. Applicant must have a bank account, whereas your family income should not exceed more than 5 lakhs rupees. This scholarship is open for various courses like engineering, diploma, medical, BSc nursing, ITI, diploma, class 11 and 12 students. Do you want to bag 35,000 word scholarship? Then watch the video which is on the right side. It is applicable for the students pursuing their courses like engineering, medical, law, journalism, B.Ed and many more.